सो आयज फर्स्ट टाइम लायव्ह येयला हांव दॅट टू address some things that I closely experienced, okay, trying to help a family. पण मातशें रावाय, there's somebody asking me for help. Just hold on. सो आम सगळीं जाणाय की गोवा इज गोईंग टू टफ टायम्स. ओके, आमकां आयकपा नाक जाल्यार देखून आयकपा पडटा सगळ्या वाटेन. आयको येता तें हाली कोवीड कोवीड कोवीड. ओके, सॉरी, म्हाका कॉल येयलें टू update me about my patient that I was looking and helping for. So हांव म्हणटालें that Goa is going through really tough times. वयताय थिंगसा आमकां कोवीड 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 आयको येता. Even if we want to break from the topic of hearing about COVID, I think it's not possible. At least it was not possible for me. Though I don't have any relatives or fortunately no family members who have come positive, but I've been helping complete strangers to to help them find everything or try my best to give them whatever required contacts and everything. So we should know that we are fortunate enough to have the time to sit and go live or reply to our friends or maybe just smile in between of the day, have the time to watch YouTube. But our fellow Goans, जायते गोंयकार, are not very fortunate. Okay, तेंगे आवय बापूय भुरगीं एडमिटेड आहाय हॉस्पिटलां. सामको कडकड सुट्टा तांकां जेन्ना एक बेड मेळना, नाजाल्यार एक ऑक्सिजन लेवल देंवता, नाजाल्यार एक मेडिसीन टायमार पळोवनाय. ओके. सो आमी जेन्ना आमकां जेन्ना इतले सगळें आहा न्हू, आमी घरा आहाय बरे भाशेन, आमी घरा रावपा जाय. ओके. कित्याक हे वायरस जेन्ना येता न्हू आमचे गोंयकारांक कोणाकू घरां जाता, तेदो मागीर आमकां कळटलें हाव डिफिकल्ट इट इज टू फायंड सर्टन थिंग्स टू अरेंज फॉर अ बेड. बिकॉज आनी सिट्युएशन चोयल जाल्यार आतां एक मेसेज येयली म्हाका दॅट वन ऑफ आर टीम मेंबर्स डॅड इज पॉझिटिव्ह. ओके. एंड रिक्वेस्टिंग मी इफ आय कूड अरेंज फॉर अ बेड, when I know since morning there are no beds available. Okay. It is a sad state. There are no beds available and it is the reality. Okay. So we need to all take the required precautions not to end up in that situation. That is why I'm here to tell you all the ground realities. I'll tell you certain things that are happening. Okay, and I'll try not to get me any section coming on me, or I'll try not to get anybody to take me to court. Okay, let me be a little sober while addressing these problems. So tum sogli worried ahli. Okay, I know everybody was worried that Alisha is doing something, she's putting news of GMC, she is trying to help people, is she safe? So हांव सांगपा सोदितां की I am very safe. हांव घरा आसोतां, घारसान I'm trying to help people with their requirement, anything they require for COVID. Okay. Over the time I've been able to build some contacts too, and anybody out there who's hearing me who has their relatives in GMC or anywhere, and if you're looking out for a person to help, I'm there. Okay, just text me on Messenger. I know I'm not very active on Messenger, but if you just say, Alisha, this is a COVID emergency, I open. Okay. So एक case जाल्ली that this Facebook friend of mine, तेणे message घायल म्हाका that Alisha, I'm looking for oxygen and it's really urgent. आनी हांव मातशें around 15 minutes की delay जालें, around 15-20 minutes to reply, and आयज पर्यान पयर कितें रिप्लाय मेसेज घायल्ली ताणें, आयज पर्यान म्हाका रिप्लाय मेळना तेगेलो. मागीर हांवें ताका कॉल केलें, मेसेज घायली, इज एवरीथींग ओके, लायक आय कॅन हेल्प, बट सो दॅट इज हाव बॅड द सिट्युएशन इज इन गोवा. यू कॅनॉट I'm not trying to scare anyone, कोणाक भिवपा सोदना, but the situation is like that. People are in need of urgent emergencies. Okay, the emergencies are such that you are delayed by 15 minutes. I don't know, I just hope that the patient is fine, okay, and has not passed away or something just because I wasn't able to help or I was a little delayed to reply. Okay, so these are such situations that every alternate person in Goa is dealing today. Okay, such emergencies arise, we are begging each other to please help. Okay, and sometimes I feel, Goa needs a Sonu Sood. Okay, if you all know what I mean, because even if I want to help, even if I try my best, I don't have the resources to provide my people. Okay, I can guide you all, I can give you all contacts, I can make contacts, and I can help in the most way that I can. Okay, so Now this is funny. Ata I sangil know that I was a little late to reply to that person. So that person just replied. So that's really funny. But I'm hoping that patient who was asking me for help is fine. So today is actually like my third day that I'm trying to help this family. Okay, I'm trying to help this one family to with contacts, with resources and everything. And we had difficulties. Okay, the difficulties were such that at midnight one day this post comes up on Facebook, and as a total stranger, I was like, I want to do anything. Okay, because the situation looked very serious. Okay, and it was a pretty serious situation. Okay, so to tell you, the relatives were looking for ventilator. Okay, and Goa is short of ventilators. Okay, it is very difficult to get your patient a ventilator. Very difficult. Even private hospitals are not having ventilators. I am not simply making allegations. I have contacted private hospitals. I have called up asking for a ventilator bed, and none of them had one. Okay, so one issue we were facing was to find a ventilator. Then Magir, we decided to let it be, like we'll just keep the patient there itself. Now this patient I'm talking about is in GMC. Okay, so after the ventilator issue wasn't getting solved, then we decided to finally get the doctor who was in charge of that ward to please come and check, because there was no check done on the patient. Okay, we should understand that the doctors are looking after too many patients. They are having loads of pressure on them, and they don't know how to act, okay, when situations like this arise. So they are too helpless. We need to understand that first. So finally got the doctor that day to do the checkup, and so he told us that the oxygen line that is of the hospital is having, the pressure is low. Okay, and with that pressure the patient might not survive. Okay, so when you hear something like this, obviously the patient's relatives will go in a panic mode. I went in a panic mode. I was like, now what to do? Then I called up a scoop, and the person who picked up, he happened to tell me that there's a godown there itself, and I put up a post also. So that is what happened. We got the cylinder. Then after getting the cylinder, the next challenge was to find a regulator. Okay, so to find the regulator, we couldn't find the regulator until night. Okay, we couldn't find a regulator because the regulator that was given by the ward was a broken one. Okay, and pressure कोण आसलो तेजेर. So we wanted a regulator. Then yesterday's day, whole day, my day started with making calls, finding a regulator. Okay, then finally by evening I ended up buying one. Okay, so one more thing is, to the people out there, suppose तुमका regulator गरज आहा नो, and the case is critical, please know that Alisha is having one. I'm lending it out for free. ओके फ्री दिता रेग्युलेटर कोणा जाय जाल्यार मागीर यूज कोन्न जाल म्हणटी परतून दिवपाचो ओके सो वी फेस्ड अ चॅलेंज अरेंजिंग फॉर अ रेग्युलेटर and then yesterday night there was a small incident that took place. Okay, so I'm telling this incident just for us to be aware, okay, that we need to act wisely. Okay, so when a issue takes place in the hospital, like what was the issue that took place, I'll tell you. So the relative, the patient आहे रिलेटिव आहलो तेणें वचोन रेग्युलेटर हाडलो फ्रॉम एनादर वॉर्ड ओके एंड तेणें तो पयलीं रेग्युलेटर दिल्लो परतो सो राती कितें जालें की नर्स येवन जबरदस्ती तो रेग्युलेटर दी म्हणून लागली ओके मागीर रिलेटिवान म्हळें आपण दिना कितकोन दिवपा जाता न्हू पेशंट ऑक्सिजनाचे आहा patient is having severe pneumonia okay so oxygen supply cut केल जाल्यार it will be very difficult for that patient and plus on top of it the hospital oxygen supply is less okay the pressure is low which is what the doctor himself had told the patient the previous day when he had come on his check so आता रिलेटिवान द पेशंट आहे रिलेटिवान सांगिल्लें दिना ते दिना न्हू रेग्युलेटर मागीर नर्सान वचोन डॉक्टर्सां आपयले ओके दे क्रिएटेड अ बीग इशू व्हडलो बोवाळ केलो मागीर तेमी आपयलो हाडो पुलिसाक आपयन हाडो आनी पुलीस म्हणटू सिट्युएशन हें करून गेलो because the patient is not keeping well कळ्ळें न्हू पेशंट बरो ना सो पुलिसान कितें कोतलो न्हू तेज्यान फोर्सिबली पेशंटाक काडूं जायना थिंगसान ना म्हूण रेग्युलेटर ओडून घेवपा जायना सो मागीर चोय कितें जाता तें मागीर तेका डोस दिवपा जाय आहलो न्हू सो डोस दिवपा टायमार इंचाल्यार नर्सीक मातशें डोस दी म्हळ्यार राती ती म्हणटाय ही डॉक्टरान सांगिलां नॉट टू गिव हर द डोस अँड कायंड ऑफ नॉट टू पे अटेंशन टू दीस पेशंट ओके मागीर तेका सकाळीं जोर आहलो पेशंटाक सो पोतून रिलेटिवान वचोन मागिलें की मातशें तेका मेडिसीन दी ओके सो मेडिसीन पोतून तेन्नाय बीन म्हणून लागली ही डॉक्टर की नर्स म्हणून लागली की डॉक्टरान सांगिलां दिनाक म्हूण कांय दिनाक म्हूण तुमकां सो आमच्यान दिवपा जायना आतां असले जेन्ना इशू जाता न्हू तेन्ना आतां हो एक इशू हांव जाणा की मुगे हांव हँडल कोत्ता त्या पेशंटाक कितकोन त्रास कोताय ते नाव असले जायत इशू आसतले हॉस्पिटलां ओके हांव म्हणा की सगळे डॉक्टर एश कोन्न आसताय ओके सगल्यो नर्सी एश कोन्न आसताय ना पूण जेन्ना असो इशू घडटा आम हाली फोन काण रिकॉर्ड करूं जाय सिट्युएशन रिकॉर्ड करून सोशल मिडियाचेर घालपा जाय कित्याक आयज कितें जाता आयज जाता हें की आम मिडिया जें दाखयता न्हू तें आम सगळें सोत म्हूण मानून घेताय ओके आनी हांव इतू दीस सामकें कॉल करून हें कोत्ता तें ट्रायंग टू हेल्प द पेशंट जायत कळोन येयलें म्हाका ओके जायते लूप होल आहाय हे सिस्टमा which they need to really work on if they are going to handle this situation okay so तो इशू जालो ओके मागीर म्हणटू तांकां हेल्प मेळ्ळें सो रिलेटिवान CMाक टॅग केल्लो एक पोस्टाचेर मागीर तेणें म्हणटू आपणागे कोण मनशाक धाडून बीन हेल्प केलें तांकां ओके तेणें मनशाक हेल्प केलो ते मनशा अलॉट केल्लो CMान मागीर तेणें रिलेटिव्जांको बी उलोवन एक डॉक्टरा असायन कोन्न त्या पेशंटा तपासून गेले. सो आनी एक म्हणटा हांव की कितें रिक्वायरमेंट आहा न्हू, सिट्युएशन सामकी क्रिटिकल आहा न्हू, जाल्यार पुट अ पोस्ट ऑन फेसबूक, मातशें पोस्ट घालाय सो एंचो रिक्वायरमेंट आहा, टॅग विश्वजीत राणे, टॅग प्रमोद सावंत, जस्ट टॅग देम, बिकॉज आतां हो इशू जाला न्हू, तेमी हेल्प केला न्हू, सो तेदो म्हाका कळ्ळां की दे कॅन हेल्प. ओके, कळ्ळें न्हू. सो that is what I'm trying to tell the people out there, because it's good when they reach to help you and they know that the patients are going through a situation. Okay, कित्याक ना जाल्यार ते येताय मिडिया बायट दिताय की आमी सगळें पळयलां आनी सगळें बरें चलता आनी सगळें बरें जातलें. ओके, सो ताका लागून सांगपाक सोदितां, मातशें जेन्ना कितें इन्सिडंट जाता इन GMC मातशें फोन काडून रिकॉर्ड कोराय. ओके, इफ तुमगे कितें रिक्वायरमेंट आहा, कितें गरज आहा, जाल्यार वायल पुटींग अप द पोस्ट टॅग विश्वजीत राणे, टॅग प्रमोद सावंत, टॅग युअर MLAs. ओके, आनी दे कॅन ट्राय टू हेल्प. ओके, बट या सो मागीर आमच्या पेशंटा त्या डॉक्टरान तपासले आनी द डॉक्टर हॅज एक्चुली टोल्ड द पेशंट टू शिफ्ट टू सम अदर हॉस्पिटल बिकॉज शी नीड्स बेटर ट्रीटमेंट. ओके, विच इज नॉट पॉसिबल एट द मोमेंट बिकॉज बेड्स आर नॉट अवेलेबल. ओके, इट इज अ वेरी grave situation that we are facing. Plus हांव जाणा that the relative even contacted a MLA and he also is finding it very difficult to arrange a bed. Okay, so what I'm trying to say is everybody is helpless in this situation. If you go to see, if we thought हम सपोज चिंतलोले की अच्छे दिन आने वाले हैं और आमी जेंका इलेक्ट कोतले ते आमकां हेल्प कोतले, जाल्यार तो टायम ना आतां. तेंच्यांनी हेल्प करूं जायना आमकां. ओके, ते आमी उगडास दवरूं जाय. ओके, आनी वॉट्सॅप ग्रूप बीन आहाय एमर्जन्सी हेल्प कितें जाय बीन जाल्यार हांव लिंक धाडपाक शकता. हाली जाण जाय दॅट I can help, Alisha can help. Okay, so आनी एक म्हळ्यार दॅट जी फॅमिलीक हांव हेल्प कोताले ते फॅमिलीक हितू त्रास पळय. To tell you, they sometimes the staff was very rude to them. Okay, आणि जायत जाता. ओके, इन द हॉस्पिटल जायत जाता. ओके, हाली आमी मातशें काम रावपा जाय. आनी माय पेशंट वॉज फॉर्च्युनेट इनफ ओके की ताका बेड मेळ्ळी. ओके, इवन ट्रिटमेंट मातशें डिले जातालो, द स्टाफ वॉज रूड, पूण my patient was really fortunate. Ata what I want to tell my fellow Goans is see, even if we are not in that situation, आमी आतां त्या सिट्युएशनान ना, कोविड पॉझिटिव्ह कोण येयल ना आमगे, आतां आमी सिट्युएशनान ना, जाल्यार आमगे रिलेटीव बी कोण कोविड पॉझिटिव्ह बीन जाला जाल्यार आमी एटलिस्ट ट्राय करपा जाय तांकां कॉल करूं. ओके, तांकां कितें रिक्वायरमेंट आहा, खंयचे भाशेन हेल्प करूं जाता न्हू, ते भाशेन हेल्प करूं जाय आमी. ओके, सो मुगे पेशंटा हितू एक मेजर प्रॉब्लम वॉज तेंगे रिलेटिव्स कोण हेल्पफूल नाय. ओके, so situation आनी वर्स जाता. थिंगा डॉक्टर्स आर नॉट एबल टू हेल्प समटायम्स, नर्सीस आर नॉट एबल टू हेल्प समटायम्स. सो एटलिस्ट आमी आमगे फॅमिलींक पावताय न्हू जाल्यार भरपूर हेल्प जाता. ओके, आनी एक म्हळ्यार आमगे CMan he has taken the oxygen issue very seriously. That is he has taken the oxygen issue very seriously, and that is one aspect of it. आता ऑक्सिजन लोकां पावल म्हणटरी, सिलिंडर पावल म्हणटरी नेक्स्ट चॅलेंज कितें? रेग्युलेटर्स नाय. ओके, रेग्युलेटर्स आर आउट ऑफ स्टॉक. देन अदर इशू कुड बी द मास्क. ओके, सो हांव CMा सांगूंक सोदितां की requirement is not only oxygen. There are other things too that we require. आता ऑक्सिजन सिलिंडर हाडलो तो घेवन कितें कोतलो मनीस? रेग्युलेटर ना जाल्यार कळ्ळें न्हू. आनी रेग्युलेटर बराबर स्पॅनरूय आसना. ओके, आतां तेतूच मुगे पेशंटागे रिलेटिवा ऑक्सिजन सिलिंडर मेळ्ळो, रेग्युलेटर मेळ्ळो आनी स्पॅनर ना. ओके, वॉर्डान स्पॅनर दिलो तो लागना. सो असले सिट्युएशन आहा गोंया. आनी चोया केदो कंट्रोलां येता तें. ओके, पूण इफ नॉट रिक्वायर्ड न्हू, भायर सरचें न्हू, आमी घरान रावचें. आनी हांवें तुमकां आतां तो इन्सिडंट सांगिल्लो तो मातशें जनरलायज करची न्हू की सगळे डॉक्टर्स तेश कोन्न हें कोताय म्हूण. कित्याक आय एम इन कॉन्टेक्ट विथ द डॉक्टर एंड हू इज व्हेरी हेल्पफूल. सामको एनी टायम ऑफ द नायट ऑल्सो कॉल केले न्हू, कॉल काटा. आनी तेका हांवें हो इशू सांगिल्लो की अशें केलें त्या डॉक्टरान म्हगे पेशंटाक. सो तोय भरपूर बेजार जालो, यू नो, की इट इज अ हॅरसमेंट म्हूण. बट in times like this, I think our doctors also don't know how to act upon it. And I just want to say to the doctors too that when you cannot handle this kind of situations, please tell your higher ups, okay, to take necessary action to please help you all out if they could. So okay, lastly, कोणाको कितें हेल्प जाय न्हू, तुमगे पेशंट सपोज GMC आहा वो एनी वे कितें हेल्प जाय इन एनी वे, म्हाका थोडे कॉन्टॅक्ट्स बीन आहाय. I can try my best to help. And we need to stay calm, we need to stay safe, stay home. मातशें घरा रावाय, भायर सरना काय गरज ना तेन्ना. And let's fight COVID together. Okay, let's be there for each other. And one more issue I wanted to address is now on Facebook itself we see many of them trying their bit, okay, to help during these times. Okay, जायत जाण help कोताय. Let's not criticize them. Okay, I just want to say कि seeing those kind of posts, no, तुम्ही जेन्ना criticize कोताय ते पळोवन न्हू सामके भितरल्यान हें जाता, लायक फूल मोटिवेशन टू हेल्प एंड सामको राग येता, फ्रस्ट्रेटेड जाता. ओके, सो सपोज आमकां जायना न्हू हेल्प करूं, कोनाकाय हेल्प कोनाकाय. ओके, एंड ऑन द अदर पार्ट ऑफ इट क्रिटिसायजूय कोनाकाय मातशें. ओके, लेट्स जस्ट सिट and watch when people are doing good. That is what I want to try to say. Because today morning I got up, I saw a post and I felt really angry. No. And people like me and others who are really trying okay, trying on the ground to help patients, okay, situation just keep getting worse. Okay, so let's just think before putting up a post. Jenna, we are trying to criticize somebody, okay, or some organization who is really working hard to make some good impact. Let's just not bring their self, what is that? Let's not pull them down, okay. So this was my first live आणि बरें दिसोलें to see everyone, to talk to everyone, and please spread the word. Everything I wanted to say through this video is just keep your phones on, be alert. Anytime situation arises, please record, put it on social media. There is lot of help available. Any issue happens, please type it down, put up a post. There are many who rush to help, okay, on social media itself. Then third thing is, please tag the ministers because they need to be aware of situations that unfold, okay. And let's hope that things will get better soon. Let's continue praying. I know everyone is praying like never before. I know this kind of situation is come to us, so let's be strong and be there for each other. That is very important, okay. Like a little word of appreciation that you all give me through my post helps me a lot to help more, okay. So, and one more thing, if any post comes up online, you can forward it to me, okay. If it is really urgent and I haven't seen it on Messenger, please keep messaging me or call me directly, okay. Simply don't panic. That is very important. And know that almost 50% of Goa is affected by it, and we have to fight it together. देव बरें करूं. बरें दिसोलें तुमकां सगल्यांक चोयन. Take care, stay safe, stay home. Bye.